Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video we're looking at the Guanqin. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that somewhat close. It is called the Men Steel Netband Automatic Mechanical Watch. It's $70 from GearBest. I bought this, I don't know, 6 months ago. It's been a long time. It's been sitting in the box. I watched a video from Perth Watch, and he had this on, and it was a good price, so I bought it, but I don't think I really like it. So from 1989, this Guanqin. Just a little booklet here, which I don't ever really read. Some kind of warranty card here, I guess. International guarantee. And cleaning cloth. So here's the watch. It's I would say Bauhaus inspired, or maybe kind of like a deck diving watch or marine chronometer type watch, but it's a, well, I guess it's not really a I was thinking that it was a regulator, but it's not. Not sure what this window is up here. Oh, that's power reserve, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I was playing with this a little bit earlier, just winding the crown, and it is hand winding. And it's hacking also, so the seconds is down here as a sub-second. This must be a power reserve. Yeah, okay, so as I'm one wind, took it up, 3 hours or something. Okay, so that's a power reserve there. And it has the mesh bracelet, which they call the net bracelet. Oh, sorry. It's got sticker protective coating on here still. The plastic. Some on the back also. Now it is a automatic movement. I would guess it's a Chinese movement, which is fine for the price. Let's see if I can adjust the date there. It's got a date window in the sub-seconds. Sub-dial, I should say. Yep, there we go. My first impression of this is it's really light. It says it's a steel watch, but it feels quite light. So, let's mess with the hour and minute hand here. So it's got a lot of dial to it. Its size is 42 millimeter by 50, and the thickness on it is 14. So it is fairly thick, especially when you consider the water resistance. And the bandwidth is 20 millimeter. So the water resistance they call life water resistant. I've never heard of that before. I'm not sure what that means exactly. I would assume washing hands, maybe getting some rain on it. I don't know if it goes in that in here. So stainless steel. Zircon, not sure what that is. Oh, maybe they're just talking about all kinds of random. Okay, yeah, tungsten. It doesn't have tungsten. Oh, okay. So it's kind of a catalog of all their different watches. It doesn't have this one in it. So, I'm not sure what this book is for. Just curious to see if it said anything about water resistance, but I didn't really see anything in there. So, don't go swimming with it. Also, it says it has sapphire crystal. So, sapphire, automatic, movement, mesh band, all for $70. I don't think this is gonna, and I'm not sure if this is adjusted for my wrist. Well, it's not too bad. In the box here, it comes with this tool. I was thinking at first it was the spring bar tool, which would not make sense because, you know, it doesn't have drilled lugs or anything. You're not adjusting the bracelet with this, but I think it works on this clasp here. So I might play around with that in a moment here. But anyway, here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist with the 52mm wristband. And again, the lug width on this was 50. I measured it with my calipers, so it's an accurate measurement. I mean, it looks all right. Okay, energy reserve 35 Stunden. I don't know what that is. Is that German? I don't know. So I might have to look that up. So let's zoom out here. It's a little different perspective here. So yeah, like I said, it's just sitting in a box on my desk here. Well, I had it somewhere else before that, but I'm going to be selling this thing. Just saw it here and figured I'd put together a video on it here. Let me see if I can adjust this. I was trying to pull this up with my finger, but maybe this tool, maybe it's to put in here. Yeah, I don't know. Could very well break this thing before I try and sell it. Okay. I'm not sure what I did there. Interesting. I think I just broke it. Ouch. Dang it. Well, be careful when you're messing around with this because you can jam your finger that underneath your fingernail and it does not feel good. So what was this spring bar doing then? Maybe it just prevents it from getting pushed in too far. Let me pause the video and try and put this back together. Alright, I got it back together. I'm not exactly sure what that spring bar does. I think it just prevents you from pushing this down too far. You can kind of see that metal in the middle here. You can see that metal tab just behind or in front of the spring bar. And I pulled this up a few more times, and every time I keep poking myself under the nail with that metal retention feature in there, so it's not pleasant to adjust. But I did tighten it a little bit, so it kind of fits a little better. But when I tighten it more, I can't get my hand in through here. It's kind of a tight fit to get this on and off my hand. Anyway, you see it's all polished. It's not a bad looking watch, but it's just I'm not really that interested in it anymore. It does have a signed crown though, and it's just a push-pull crown. I'm not sure if that's stamped or how they did that. It's not really all that well defined. If it was machined in, it should be better defined than that. Anyway, just a quick video on my impressions of this watch. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and like the video if you liked it. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.